Hi, my name is Dr. Kristen Rixby. I'm an assistant professor with the Department of Family and Consumer Sciences and the Nutrition and Food Safety Specialist for UT Extension. With egg prices on the rise and continuing to climb, we wanted to find some solutions for Tennesseans to be able to utilize egg-free items when they're baking so you can save your eggs for actually eating. So here we have 3 banana muffins, the same exact recipe, where we have trialed some egg-free items. So, in this very first one, you actually have 1/4 of a cup of plain carbonated water in place of 1 egg. In the second one, you have 1/4 of a cup of plain Greek yogurt instead of an egg. And now this last one is a little interesting. I'm going to talk you through it. So eggs actually provide leavening, moisture, fat content to a baked product. So in order to model that, we used 2 tablespoons of water, 1 teaspoon of vegetable or canola oil, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder whisked together in a small bowl. That would equate 1 egg. So we baked all of these exactly the same way, and there are some differences in your product. So our oil, baking powder, and water definitely had a crummier texture up top, and I will tell you, you may not be able to tell, but there were some divots in the middle of the muffins when they were baking. This can happen because of the leavening process, it can happen because of the warmth of the oven, but in general, I think this was my least favorite baking egg alternative. Now, I loved these two. 1/4 of a cup of plain Greek yogurt adds an immense amount of moisture to your baked product. So these were a little bit denser. You can see they're a little smaller, has a nice shiny domed top, but is really delicious because it adds that additional moisture to your final product. But by far my favorite was the carbonated water. So baking product looked almost no different. Not a lot of rise though, do note that. But it did create a nice, light, fluffy product that also had a lot of moisture. So for more information about baking alternatives instead of eggs, please check the UTIA website for our newest publication, Eggs Uncovered. It provides information on how to best store your eggs, other types of egg products you can look for, again, baking alternatives, and ways to save money. Happy baking!